In this video, we understand the concept of derivative of this exponential function, where x plus h is power and e is the number. So never do this mistake. Consider it a constant. Its derivative is not equal to 0. Or never apply power rule. Power rule cannot be applied here. That is the formula for its easy approach, that is a very common formula and very important. A की power x into natural log of a की power x as it is, and natural log of this base, and then most important part of this formula, derivative of this power. Here is common mistake. Derivative of this formula is skipped, which becomes a की power x natural log of a. This becomes 1, but this is not always 1. If here is not x, here is x with respect to x, so here is 1, we write only a की power x natural log of a, and this is the general formula. But if here is the different from x, then there, see what happened. Derivative of e की power x plus h. Applying this formula, here a की power x as it is, so here e की power x plus h, so we write it as it is, e की power x plus h, and then natural log of base. Here is also natural log of base, which is e, and then derivative of its power. This is the common mistake which is mostly occur, x plus h. This is, and here bracket should be here. If not, then consider only x, and then h is also make a mistake. So e की power x plus h as it is, natural log of e is 1, derivative of x plus h. Here is the 1 plus 0. Derivative should not be missed. E की power x plus h, and this is 1, becomes e की power x plus h. And this is the derivative. Very important and very simple question.